the sleepy world of animals. As the sun begins to set, the world transforms into a quieter place. In the animal kingdom, a unique ritual begins, the time for sleep. In the dense forests, the wise old owl opens his eyes. He flies silently through the trees, searching for his evening snack. After a long night of hunting, he finds a cozy branch and tucks his head under his wing, drifting into a peaceful slumber. In the grasslands, the gentle giraffe bends down. With her long neck curled, she rests her head on her back. The soft breeze whispers lullabies, and soon, her eyes close. She dreams of lush leaves and open skies. Down by the river, playful otters float on their backs. They hold hands to stay together, a tight-knit family. As they doze off, the water rocks them gently, like a cradle in nature's arms. In the vast ocean, the magnificent whales sing the songs of their ancestors. As night falls, they glide through the water, and their weary bodies find a moment of rest. Below the surface, they sleep while swimming, a dance of dreams and serenity. In the cozy burrows of the woodland, rabbits snuggle close. With their soft fur touching, they feel safe and warm. They huddle together, their little hearts beating in harmony, as they drift off to sleep. As the night deepens, the creatures of the earth find their places to rest. Each has its own way to dream, from the tiny hummingbird to the mighty elephant. And so, in the quiet hours of night, the animal kingdom sleeps, wrapped in the beauty of nature's embrace. Rest well, little ones, for tomorrow brings a new day filled with adventures.